Welcome guys, good evening. This is Shushavan Banerjee this side and it's 17th of April 2021 midnight and I'm here. This is my first YouTube video and I'll be streaming this and discussing it with you how the market's gonna be on Monday, and I'll be giving you some stocks, and that is, of course, it's a disclaimer, that is not a recommendation, it's just for educational purposes and just a discussion, a cool hangout of traders in this channel and investors, of course. So this is my first video, not expecting very big views, but of course you can share and let us grow together, correct? So let's get started over here. Okay, so I'll start off with Banknifty. So my view with Banknifty is kind of trending, not sure which side, of course. And let's go to 5-minute chart. You can see it's a very tight range over here, so you can use this lines over here and this one, so you can play this Banknifty. I will prefer to the selling side because there was a sharp selling over here and there was a gap pending over here. So if it breaks down, that will be more profitable. You can set a stop loss over here and aim for 1:2. Probably that's what I'm gonna be doing. But if Banknifty crosses this one, it can be trending, of course, for few points still here, and after that it will hit resistances and it will go up, but it may be volatile to sideways and then an uptrend. So let's go for Nifty. Let's see how is it all about for the daily chart. So Nifty looks quite a better opportunity than Banknifty. Let me hide all these. So it's an overstretch over here, and this ITs and metals have been rocking the market since a lot. The only problem with Nifty is there's a gap, huge gap over here. So the market can shoot up, but I am expecting that if this is broken, this one, this low, let's go to 15-minute time frame. If this low is broken, I'll go for selling over, of course, and I'll sometimes prefer Bank Nifty than Nifty while selling, but this time it looks Nifty is in a better stage. So let's see what happens. And of course, this is again, I am reminding you, not a buy and sell recommendation. It is, of course, you have to do your own analysis on this. Right? So I'll give you some stocks also for the next week or 1 or 2 weeks. The first one will be Amara Raja batteries. It's looking amazing to me. Just what there are not many reasons to why it's looking amazing, but you can see there is a bit of consolidation over here. You called it head and shoulder. It's not perfect head and shoulder, but it looks good. And let me see on the daily chart. It has been coming down since a lot of time, and if you know Fibonacci's, it will be somewhere around 50%, and that's an important ratio as well. And we consider the weekly chart also for positional trading. It's looking bullish over here also. So this can be a good buy, but you have to trail your stop losses away. And of course, depends on the market condition. If market starts falling, this is going to be saved, of course. And the next one is, this is Navneet. Navneet, when we were small in our school days, we used to take Navneet notebooks, and then all of a sudden, classmate came in. This one looks good. This doesn't have correlation with our markets. Nifty has moved in a different direction, and Navneet has never moved in this year. So I don't think it's a very correlative stock, or the market moves down or up. It doesn't depend on this kind of stock. That's why I have chosen this for you. And it's in a very important zone, you could say. So it can go up, for 1 or 2 weeks. That's what we aim for. Maybe 9 to 10%, and that will be enough for us. And we can keep a stop loss of somewhere around 4 to 5%, and that will be 1:2 risk reward as well. So that's it. And of course, bank nifty, yeah. So bank nifty again, it's once again like the nifty only, correct? So if you go for selling, you have to, you know, protect yourself of this and take 1:2 or as such. Probably I'm expecting Monday to be quite trending. I may be wrong, of course. It can be again in a range or volatile. If it moves up, if it crosses this zone and up, and of course I will be, you know, taking small profits and getting away. So that's it of the analysis video. Hope you enjoyed it, and good night. Keep sharing this. Let's grow together. Let's see. I'll come along again on Saturday next week or before the expiry day, that is Wednesday, and we'll have a chat and see whether our analysis worked or not. Okay, come on. So thank you. Signing off.